Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you this PUMA Adelina. It's called PUMA Soft Foam ComfortInsert. This is 2020 or 2021. Guys, with this dirtiness and with this fucked up looking, how much you think my wife should wear it? This is mustache for bug, you know. Unbelievable! Okay, how much think my wife wear it? This is 1 month. 1 month. I'm not sure, she not wear it every time. You have to know, she have a lot of sneakers and she wear it time by time. This is the most shame that PUMA ever create. Anyway guys, before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like my video. I know you like my video, I know. Okay, guys, this we bought it almost like $90. It's not cheap. PUMA, $90 guys. You swear God, from first 3 days she wear it. I don't know guys, what is the secret that PUMA collecting dirtiness so much like this? She had car and she not wear it in dirty places. I mean everything is okay. Clean streets. See, what is this dirtiness? And what is this finishing even? See how color become. See how dirty from here. Like she wear it 3 years. Watch here. What's this? And even how it's screwed up. See? As usual, she decided to wash it. Because guys, it's shame to wear it like this when it's so dirty like this. People, they will think that you are a dirty person, you got me? As usually, she wash it with Tide normally, and she wash it and it's become colors mixed as usual, like this. And dirtiness not out. See? It's become here yellow, orange, brown here, dirty. You feel that this shoes, you wear it 1 year. And about the comfortability, 60% comfortable. She says not that much comfortable. But it's not now it's not important, ballerina comfortability, it's not running shoes. But guys, what is this quality? What shame on PUMA, to be honest with you, to create something like, see, here empty. If you watch guys, here it's empty, no sponge. Let's go up. I have feeling this underwear, you know, it's not, to be honest with you guys, this is deserve $10, $15, not $90. We bought it from PUMA store. And you know, if you stay 1 year, stay 1 season, I will kiss PUMA owner hand, you know. But guys, he didn't stay 1 month. He didn't complete 1 month. This is completely shame. Anyway, I was want to share it with you that if you saw it in PUMA store and you want to buy it, don't. I mean, quality is too low. I not advise anyone to stock with PUMA products, to be honest with you. I didn't like them products. Like Adidas. Bullshit. The acceptable sport clothes at the moment is Nike, comparing to others. But now, as I told you before in my previous videos, now I'm trying to stock with Philippine products and Giuseppe's not yet, stuff like that. Yeah, it's expensive and I need to collect for it. But in the end, buy once forever. And I'm sure that comfortability will be more. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I was just want to share with you my opinion to push you away from something you may buy it and you don't like it. So don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up if you like my video. We'll see you in another video from Objection. Peace and love and money from every one of you. And I know money is the most important thing from all.